experiments. This is what you're gonna need. A tray and a Ziploc bag and some pencils and a glass of water. Now let's begin our project.
Hold the bag for me from here. One over here, one over here. Perfect. Great. Okay, not too hard. Good.
Can't hold it.
That's fine.
Okay,
Okay, I think that's
enough.
good.
Oh,
Now I'm
it's
gonna
filling.
close it.
Okay, Mom is gonna close it.
Perfect. Now, since we have this full with water, you're gonna do this nicely right through, okay? 1, 2, hold on. Let's see if we can show them this way. 1, 2. There we go.
Okay, 1.
1. Let's do it together.
1, 2, 3. Okay,
Another one.
I'm gonna do this myself.
Okay.
Hold on.
Lower, lower. Okay.
Like that.
Go, go, go. Good.
And now another one.
Another one. Whoop.
It's okay.
Very good.
And one more.
Over here, over here. You know how to be here.
I already did it. Yeah.
There we go.
That looks cool. Now take it out.
Now, okay, slowly pull it out. Slow. Wow.
That's crazy. Hold on. I'm gonna do one.
Slowly. Very good.
I'm gonna take one more.
Very good.
Okay, it's all gonna be.
Okay, on to our next experiment.
This is our next experiment. This is what you're gonna need. 3 glasses and a cup of water and coloring food coloring, and this paper, towel, and a stick. Okay, now let's begin.
So we're gonna pour.
Getting a little yellow.
Done.
Okay, we're gonna put
So,
this
You
inside.
gotta fold it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then put one side here.
Uh-huh.
Go ahead. And then put the other there, down here. Good. And then this one's also gonna go here.
Okay, and I want to do it.
Okay, good. And now we wait.